Samsung Insider deliver Galaxy Note 10 bad news. It's updated news from Samsung. So you will, I think, don't like this news because expectation for Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is a sky high. So we will talk about today about the Note 10 Samsung, which is coming maybe in week or month, not sure, but all the picture I'm showing to you, this is all conceptual. So let's get into the video. So despite some recent setbacks, but now two major sources have confirmed some further bad news. In a pair of independent tweets, XDA developer reliable insider Max Weinbach and the untouchable Steve Stuffer have stated that the Galaxy Note 10's new camera design is a mess. See, referring to his source, Weinbach stated, "I think the Note 10 Pro is going to look much worse than people think with the current concept design, like a much worse." And when challenged on that, responded, "Dude, you have no idea." Stuffer was similarly downbeat when asked if the Galaxy Note 10 design was an improvement or a step back from the S10 Plus. He revealed, "It looks bad compared to Galaxy Note 9. Rare camera design, IMO at least." While the value of smartphone is obviously more than what's on the outside, if both Weinbach and Stuffer are correct, and they usually are, this would be a badly timed error from Samsung. Why? Because Apple's new iPhone will have an objectively awful camera design, and it was Samsung chance to capitalize on Apple design monstrosity. See, of course, if you look deeper, the Galaxy Note 10 is a still powerhouse internally with the next gen storage, upgraded RAM, and the fastest charging Samsung has put into a smartphone. There's also some display changes buyers should appreciate. Looking for some good news, if the Galaxy Note 10 turns out to be missed opportunity, just wait, because it appears Samsung will have a significantly more creative smartphone launching soon afterwards. So that's the news of some of the bad news, some of the good news for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. These all pictures or many picture or almost picture or conceptual. This is not real. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.